Today, we're introducing a brand new feature in SnapMetrics real-time analytics, panel metrics. Let's see how it works. First, navigate to the panel metrics screen. Click Create Metric and give your metric a name. Next, select the metric type. If you want, choose a start event and an end event for your metric. On the side panel, you can add filters to refine your data. Just check the boxes to instantly apply the ones you want, and use the search bar to quickly find exactly what you need. Once everything is set, click Save. After your selected filters appear, head to the Calendar section to refine your data even further by selecting the exact date and time range you want. Your new metric will now appear in the panel, giving your team the right data at the right time, exactly where they need it.